Welcome to this Train Chinese character video.
P
There are 12 strokes in this character.
横横撇点横横撇捺竖横折横横
Let's see what this character is made of.
夫约
Here's an example where this character is used.
代替
Here's a character that looks similar. Pay attention to the differences. You'll find incredible tools for learning characters like this one at trainchinese.com and on the iOS and Android app stores. Just search for Train Chinese.